As we unbox the product and show you how nicely it's packaged, as we remove the material, these are your Sconce lights. They're rectangular and square. They're individually packaged and they have all the hardware needed for lighting. Instructions are included on how to install, put in an area that is outdoors, on your landscape, your doorway, and more. ZSMAIKU. It's a light. 2 areas of interest, double layer. It's made of black. Check online for the coloring you are after and design. We're going to remove the screws and we're going to set up outside with optional plates and screws hang up. In the kit we have a spare and 2 bolts that are given. Match load for load and lock down with the wire nut. And neutral for neutral and secure it down. Place on your light and secure it down by the bolts. The 3000 Kelvin Sconce. Placed by the garage, your front doors, on either side, double doors, wherever you need to put a light. We're going to show you what this looks like in the evening hours. In this demonstration here, we have the Sconce lit up on the wall. 3000 plus Kelvin, 24 watts. We'll show you what the other light looks like. It gives a nice accent, a nice glow to the landscape and property. As you can see the design, it is a rectangular design, 2 layers of light, 3000 plus Kelvin at 24 watts. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for your lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.